Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in this video I'm going to be doing more sticker swap shoutouts. Have 5 shoutouts to do this time, and as always when I do these shoutout videos I'm going to leave links in the description box below to everyone's Instagram page that I give shoutouts to, so you can head over to their Instagram, follow them, and ask to sticker swap with them. But right now I'd like to give shoutouts to Shockwave Woodworks, Rust and Splinters, nice little car logo there, License to Grill, and I hope I'm pronouncing this next one right, El Yucateco I Love Hot Sauce. It's a hot sauce company. They sent me a postcard and they sent me 3 or 4 of their stickers. Thanks for that, guys. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. And finally, Parlay 8. They also sent me several stickers and a business card. Sailors tell stories, pirates make legends. Aye. That is all the stickers. Now, as always, let's get them up on the sticker swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the sticker swap sticker wall. It's really coming along nicely. If you guys would like to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, please send me a message on social media at one of my social media links down in the description box below, and I'll be happy to get one out to you and give you a shout out. And I hope that maybe I'll get one in return. That's how we get our names out there. So I really think that this is a fantastic hobby. I really enjoy sticker swapping with you guys. But that's about all for this video. I will have one of my other videos floating up in this corner, and I will have my subscribe button floating in this corner. Please continue to like and share my videos, and if you haven't, please do click the subscribe button for more content. I'm the Artisan Pirate, and I'll see you guys real soon.